Imagine a salesperson keeps calling you about a phone bill. You finally say, "Stop calling me." Good news, the phone gets quiet. Bad news, the bill did not vanish. That is a cease and desist letter. It tells a debt collector to stop contacting you, but it does not erase the debt or fix your credit report by itself. A cease and desist letter is a written message that says, "Do not contact me anymore about this debt." Under the FDCPA, a law that sets rules for debt collectors, they usually must stop contacting you after they receive it. They can still contact you to say they will stop or to tell you about a specific action, like filing a lawsuit. Here is the part that matters. If talking is no longer allowed, the collector may look at their other option, which can be suing you. Think of it like closing the chat window with a company. You may stop the messages, but if there is still a real balance, they might move the issue to the next department. A cease and desist can make sense when the contact is becoming too much, like repeated calls, rude messages, or pressure that feels like harassment. It is like telling a neighbor, "Stop banging on my door every night." You are not saying the issue is fake. You are saying the behavior needs to stop. If you do not recognize the debt, do not start with a cease and desist. Start with a debt validation request. Debt validation means you ask the collector to prove the debt is real, who owns it, and why they think you owe it. It is like asking a store for a receipt before you pay for something you do not remember buying. Credit is not just a score. Credit is a risk profile, like a report card for how you handle money. A collector stopping calls does not automatically change what is on your credit report. Lenders, landlords, banks, and insurers may still see a collection and wonder, is this person likely to pay as agreed? If you decide to send a cease and desist, do it in writing. Send it by certified mail, which gives you proof it was sent and delivered. Keep a copy of the letter and the mailing receipt. Think of it like taking a photo of a package before you ship it. If anyone asks later, you have proof. The goal is not to panic, hide, or guess. The goal is to choose the right tool. 850 AI can help you look at the situation. Figure out if the debt is known or unknown. Decide whether validation should come first, and understand the risk before you send anything. Calm beats rushed every time.